Porcine reproductive and respiratory syndrome, PRRS, is an economically important viral disease of pigs characterized by reproductive and respiratory problems. Serological surveillance for PRRS in pigs is an essential part of disease monitoring and control program. Scientists at the ICAR National Institute of High Security Animal Diseases Bhopal have developed a recombinant antigen-based indirect ELISA kit for detection of antibodies against PRRS virus. This is the first indigenously developed PRRS ELISA kit in India, and it can act as a cost-effective import substitute. The kit contains 8 well strips of ELISA microplate coated with a recombinant PRRSV antigen mix, and complete set of buffers and reagents. The kit uses an antigenic cocktail of PRRSV1 classical and highly pathogenic PRRSV2 antigens to provide a wider antibody coverage against existing PRRS viruses. The kit also employs a non-recombinant mock antigen to eliminate non-specific reactivity in test serum samples. The assay has high sensitivity and specificity. There is no cross-reactivity with other swine viruses such as classical swine fever virus and African swine fever virus. The test can easily be performed at peripheral laboratories with minimum laboratory setup and expertise. This indigenously developed PRRS ELISA kit will play an important role as a cost-effective serosurveillance tool for control of PRRS, and will ultimately aid in improving the economic status of pig farmers in India.